Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is April Rochelle. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today I'm showing you my fully blow dried, trim, and silk press routine. So after I washed my hair, I just did about 4 big plaits and let it air dry overnight because it's just easier to detangle and work on one section at a time. So that's what I'm pretty much doing right here, just making sure that it's fully detangled before I begin the blow drying process. So I will be using a cheat heat protector, and I just sprayed that into the palm of my hands, just making sure that the product is getting worked in really good. There's really not a particular way that I blow dry my hair. Sometimes I do the tension method, sometimes I don't. It just depends, honestly. But I try not to let the blow dryer stay in one particular section for too long, just to avoid any unnecessary heat damage. One of the biggest keys to healthy natural hair is protecting it at every stage. That's why I always use a good heat protectant before blow drying, because healthy hair holds a silk press way better. Also, drinking water and keeping up with trims helps so much with length retention. So a few things to note that can make or break your silk press is using too many products. You don't need 2 or 3 products to achieve the perfect silk press. Too much heat and not trimming regularly. If your hair feels weighed down or gets frizzy fast, you might need to adjust one of these steps. Now that my hair is fully blow dried, I'm going to go back over it with my detangler brush before I begin the trimming process. So for the trimming process, what I like to do is make 2 separate ponytails, and then I just bring those hair ties down just to make it even. And then I just trim off about 1 inch. I probably didn't even trim off that much, to be honest. Honestly, I need to go to the salon to have it professionally cut. But for right now, I think I did a pretty good job. Now it's time to get my hair nice and sleek. I will be using Sheamoisture bonding oil. It's absolutely one of my favorites. One of the things I love most about this bonding oil is the shine that it gives your hair. So when I'm straightening my hair, like I said, for this process, I don't do the chase method or anything special like that. I've had this flat iron for years and it hasn't failed me yet, and definitely gets the job done. Also, I will have the Amazon link listed below for this same exact one if you're interested. Now, I am adding some curls to my silk press. For me, I don't like the bone straight look. I like some curls, some bounce, some value, something. I'm not a bone straight, silk press type of girl. Alright, so now that my hair is finished, look at all that shine, the curls, the bounce. I absolutely love it. And I just want to show you guys how I protect my hair at night. So after I do the silk press, I don't use any more heat in my hair at all. So what I like to do is use flexi rods. I think I have about 6 in my hair right now. But yeah, this is how I maintain my curls. I do the heatless method. and this will hold your curls all day. So right now I'm just going to take these flexi rods down. I actually don't know what size these are, but yeah, after I take them down, I'm going to separate my curls just to give it a little bit more fullness. And that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.